Squarespace dashboard overview. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you all the features, all the main features and indirect features of the dashboard of squarespace.com. Okay, so as you can see we are already in the dashboard, but it's not really what we want to see. We want to see a website dashboard. So the first step to do is to create an account on squarespace.com. Next step, you just need to create a new website. Just start from scratch, click on create a website, and here you need to choose a type and topic for your website. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 types of websites that you can choose from, and a lot of topics. So the types are an online store, the portfolio, memberships, blogs, scheduling, one page, courses and services. And there are a lot of topics, for example collaborations, art and design, photography, health and beauty, personal and CV, fashion, professional services, local business, community and non-profits, food, entertainment, travel, restaurants, media and podcasts, events and weddings, real estate and properties, home and decor, natural and animals, and the last one is fitness. So to create a website you just need to choose something from it, and it will give you a best templates that will suit your website. So for example, today we are creating media and podcasts website. As for myself, I really like this design, so you just click on it and just choose it. You can change here the sample color presets for your website. For example, I don't really love those colors. We can change it to more grayish or to more blue, or to black, gray and yellow. I really like the gray and black label, so we just click on start with this design, and now our dashboard is going to be loaded. Okay, so I'm going to show you every feature of it. Okay, so we need to wait a bit. Okay, so the next step, you need to create a name for your website. So I choose media and podcast, so my website would be called the best podcasts in the world. May sound selfish, but it's just an example, so don't worry. It's going to tell us how to add products, but I'm going to tell you by myself. So in the left corner of the website we can see the dashboard right here. So the first is the website. You can see your website clearly right here. You can edit it right here. The next column is the pages, so you can navigate into the pages. As you can see, we are in the home page right now, so you can choose the subscribe page, for example, and start editing the subscribe page, or even delete some of the pages that you don't really need. Okay, so as you can see, we are in the subscribers page right now. Okay, let's head back to our dashboard. The next is the styles. So in styles you can change the fonts, you can change the colors that we have pastly choose. You can change the buttons of your website, forms and accessories. So you can change here the animations of your website, spacing and image blocks. Okay, so head back. Here are the assets of your website. Right now it's empty because I didn't upload anything, but you can upload them here, create folders for them, and everything will look good. Okay, so the next thing is the selling. Here in the selling you can set up your store. So firstly you add products here to your inventory to sell, then add ways to pay, then you add the subscription plans, and the last step is to go live and start selling. So Here you can see your products list, or you can see here physical products, services, downloads, and gift cards. So you can add them right here. Also there are orders, so every purchase and every order will be seen here. Also you can add discounts right here, so create a discount for your customers to use it in checkout. You can use them as an active discount, scheduled, inactive, and there are selling tools that will help you to explore more ways to sell. So the next thing is the marketing. So here you can grow your audience, give your site visitors a way to subscribe, import existing email subscribers, and add promotional pop-up to your site. There are a lot of ways to engage your audience. So for example, they offering you emails to engage your audience. So here you can add email campaigns. Here are the marketing tools. So for example, promotional pop-up, URL builder, and announcement bar. The next thing is the contacts. So here would be contacts of your all customers, members, and even email subscribers. You just add them right here. The next is the analytics bar. So here you will see what users are opening your website, how they are, here is the engagement, so how they are engaged in your site. You can see the activity log of every person, format button conversions, site search, keywords, and RSS subscribers. The next thing is the sales. For example, you sell a product, it will give you a statistics of how many of items you have sold, the convey revenue rate, AOV, RPV, any analytic statistics that you will need. Next thing is the invoicing. So here you can send professional invoices, but you can only pay credit card processing fees. Okay, so there will be a list of your invoices and the projects for your invoices. You can here create projects to organize important details, manage client info, and send invoices. Okay, so the next thing is the content and memberships. It is really cool for bloggers, instructors, and communities. Next thing is the donations. So here you can tell your visitors to donate and get your first donations and contributions, so you will see a list of donors in contacts. And the next thing is scheduling, so you can create a scheduling website. Okay guys, so if you have known something new, I'll show you more. All you need to create a website is to sign up, but then after a trial ends in 14 days, you need to upgrade your plan. So there are 4 upgrade plans that you can choose from. The first one is the personal, it costs $16 per month. Next one is the business one, it costs $23 per month. Next one is the basic one, it costs $28 per month. And the last one is advanced, it costs $52 per month. You can pause my video to see all the features that those plans are giving you, or you can just visit the squarespace.com website and see it by yourself. Okay guys, thank you, goodbye.